Hi, good morning guys. So, here is one of our menu. Grilled liempo. Minarinade na yan ni Mama. In what, Mama? Oyster sauce?
Yes.
Soy sauce?
Yes.
And then, nagpunta ng garlic, nagput ng garlic, and then calamansi, pepper, and then seasoning, which is Magic Kitchen. That's it. So, i-grilled na natin siya. Pan-grilled lang to guys. Sarap yan. Rubber. Yun na guys yung finished product ng ating grilled liempo. Bali, ano na lang yan, hihiwain. That's it for today's video guys. Thank you.